Akala mo mahal na to, pero wait, din makita mo kung magkano monthly. This is a bank foreclosed property located in Barangay Bukandala, Imus, Cavite. Inner lot, bidding process, 20,000 reservation fee para makasali, as is where is. At dahil bidding ito, may chance ka pa makuha below market value. Pero tandaan, pataasan at paggandahan ang offer. Check mo to. Lot area 60 square meter, floor area 49 square meter, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Mas spacious compared sa typical units, perfect for family. Starting bidding price, 4,225,760. Yes, medyo mataas pero tandaan, location plus size plus potential value equals sulit investment. Ito sample computation. 20% down payment, 845,152. 80% balance, 3,380,608. 15 years to pay, monthly around 37,000 to 40,000 per month. Estimated required income, 100,000 to 130,000 per month. Household income. Pwede combine income para mas mataas approval. Transfer of title is not included. As is where is. Need mo i-actual viewing. Bidding, hindi guaranteed, kailangan strategic ang offer, pero tutulungan namin kayo step by step. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking bahay sa Imus na may long-term value, 20,000 lang para makasali sa bidding. Message now bago ka maunahan. Free house tour assistance available. This is Jin Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!